What are you doing, Daddy?
Putting the crib together. Little girl crib.
No, you're in a blue room.
Oh wait, no, you're right. Sorry. That was the other room over.
Here it goes. Mommy put together everything else. The dresser.
No, she didn't. Oh, they're done.
Nope. Mommy put it together. Pretty nice beds. See the squirrel curtains? Here they are. Grandma Cindy made those. And then this happened last night. This is the little girl room. Grandma Cindy made the blanket and the curtains. Mommy helped a little bit. And Mommy did the lamp. Well, that's pretty exciting. This is where we'll change your diapers, which I'm sure there will be a lot of. This crib might be hard to turn over and weight down. No crawling out of your crib like Daddy did.
No, don't be like Dad. Don't be like Dad.
Pretty exciting. Oh, there's the squirrel lamp back there. I can't see it. There it is. Mommy was crafty once. Probably the last time.
No.
Maybe the last time for a little while. Might be a little busy.